Wonder, 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 till you turn to wanderer. Hey, my people, how we go take explain the situation where bandits arrest thief come hand over am to police? E shock una abi? Na so e shock me too o. My country people, how una dey? Dis tori na from Katsina State, northern part of Nigeria. Na so we hear say group of pipo wey dey destroy the peace of the community, wey we dey call bandits, don arrest one suspect wey dem talk say dey thief building materials. According to wetin the bandits talk, dem say the barawo get ogbonge talent wey e dey take remove iron from buildings wey dem never complete and the ones wey dem don abandon. E get one video wey the bandits show wey come reveal how dem take kpake the man dat time wey dem dey waka around the area with dem motorcycles.
Yin hukuma irin kokarin da kuke yi. Abin da za mu yi kenan. Ƙwarai kau. Ƙwarai kau.
da shi a nuna hukuma
Haka.
duk kwaronin da ke nan duk sun sake su kwata-kwata ka diba da idonka.
Haka. Haka. Al'amarin bai yi daɗi ba. Gaskiya abu bai yi daɗi ba.
The group, according to wetin we see for the video, carry different guns and firearms, come go further dey lecture the thief say na bad thing to dey steal sake of say Holy Quran no support am. The bandits come give plenty sermon say na offence to dey carry something wey no belong to person. Dem say make the thief thank God say dem no kill am for the criminal activity wey im do but hand am over to police. The bandits make sure say dem hand over the thief to the police in front of the community leader. Abeg, my people, who be thief? Who be bandits? If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.